Men don't go crazy over grand gestures. They don't fall apart over dramatic declarations. And they don't obsess over perfection. What drives men crazy are the small things, the subtle behaviors most women don't even realize they're doing. The quiet moments that slip past logic and go straight into the nervous system. These aren't flashy moves, they're not taught in dating advice books, and they're rarely done on purpose. But when they appear, men feel it immediately. And once they feel it, they don't forget it. Today I'm going to show you 7 small things women do that bypass a man's logic and hook him emotionally without effort. Not because they're manipulative, but because they trigger how male attraction actually works. Let's start with something deceptively simple. 1. She reacts instead of performing. Most people think attraction comes from impressing, saying the right thing, doing the right thing, being the right version of yourself. But what drives men crazy is when a woman reacts honestly instead of performing. She laughs when something is genuinely funny, not when she's supposed to. She disagrees without softening herself. She responds naturally, not strategically. There's no script, no polishing, no emotional theater. And that authenticity creates something rare, unpredictability. Not chaos, but realness. A man can feel when a woman is managing her image, and he can feel when she's simply being present. Presence hits harder, because presence makes him feel like he's interacting with a human, not a persona. That's the first crack in his emotional armor. 2. She pauses before responding. This one seems insignificant. It isn't. When a woman pauses just for a moment before responding emotionally, a man feels weight, not delay, not disinterest. Weight. It signals that she's processing, not reacting, choosing, not chasing. That pause creates depth. Because most people respond instantly out of habit or anxiety, a calm pause tells a man this woman isn't trying to earn approval, and that alone raises her perceived value. Men are wired to notice emotional pacing. Fast emotional reactions signal attachment. Measured reactions signal confidence, and confidence makes men lean in, not because she's distant, but because she's grounded. 3. She notices small details quietly. Men don't crave praise as much as they crave being seen. Not loudly, not dramatically, quietly. When a woman notices a detail and mentions it casually without making a show of it, it lands deeply. You always focus more when you explain things. You get calmer when you're in control. You're different when you're passionate about something. Those comments hit because they feel specific, personal, unscripted. They tell a man, you're not just watching me, you're understanding me. And understanding creates attachment faster than admiration, because admiration can be external. Understanding feels intimate. 4. She doesn't rush emotional closeness. This one confuses people. Men don't fall deeper when closeness is instant. They fall deeper when closeness builds. When a woman allows emotional connection to grow naturally without fast-forwarding, it keeps his mind engaged. She doesn't force deep conversations too early. She doesn't demand vulnerability on schedule. She lets silence exist without filling it. That restraint creates tension. Healthy tension. It makes a man feel like the connection is unfolding, not being pushed. And unfolding is addictive, because every interaction feels like progress, not pressure. 5. She stays calm when he pulls back slightly. This one is powerful. At some point, almost every man pulls back a little. Not to test, not to manipulate, but to recalibrate. What drives men crazy is when a woman doesn't panic during that moment. She doesn't chase. She doesn't interrogate. She doesn't emotionally collapse. She stays warm. She stays centered. She continues her life. That calm response does 2 things. First, it signals emotional strength. Second, it reintroduces uncertainty. And uncertainty pulls him back in, because suddenly he feels movement again, not pressure, motion. And motion is what keeps attraction alive. 6. She has a life that doesn't pause for him. This is subtle but deadly effective. When a woman has a full life, friends, goals, routines, interests, and doesn't drop them instantly for a man, he feels it. Not as rejection, but as reality. Her world doesn't orbit him. He has to step into it. And men are wired to move toward value, not receive it passively. A woman who stays engaged in her own life creates gravity. She's not unavailable, she's not distant, she's complete. And completeness is magnetic. 7. She leaves conversations slightly unfinished. This is one of the most overlooked behaviors. When a woman ends an interaction while energy is still high, a laugh, a moment, a connection, it leaves an echo. Not closure, echo. Men replay unfinished moments more than finished ones, because the brain wants resolution, and replay is the foundation of obsession. She doesn't overstay. She doesn't drain the moment. She leaves at the peak, and that peak stays with him. Why small things beat big attraction triggers. Looks open the door, but they don't keep a man inside. What keeps a man emotionally engaged is how a woman makes him feel over time. The brain remembers emotional patterns, not moments. A woman who feels good in small, consistent ways creates emotional safety without boredom, and that combination is rare. Most women unknowingly choose one extreme, too intense or emotional burnout, too distant or emotional detachment. But the women men can't forget sit right in the middle, calm, present, grounded. Those small behaviors we talked about earlier signal something deeper. They signal emotional maturity. And emotional maturity is deeply attractive to men because it removes chaos without removing excitement. Now here's the part that surprises people. Why women accidentally stop doing these things. At the beginning, these behaviors come naturally. She's relaxed. She's not attached yet. She's present. But once emotions grow, fear enters. Fear of losing him, fear of silence, fear of being misunderstood, and fear changes behavior. She starts filling gaps, explaining herself, chasing reassurance. Not because she's weak, but because she cares. Unfortunately, that shift is exactly what drains attraction, not the care, the urgency. Men don't pull away from women who care. They pull away from women who lose emotional center. This is why confidence feels so attractive. Confidence says, I like you, but I trust myself. That trust is calming, and calm is addictive. The difference between presence and pressure. Let's clarify something. Presence feels like I enjoy you. Pressure feels like I need you to feel something back. Men sense this difference instantly. A woman can say the same words, but the energy underneath determines the effect. Presence invites, pressure repels. The small behaviors that drive men crazy all come from presence. She reacts honestly, she pauses, she observes quietly, she allows space. Nothing is forced. That's why it works. Why men often can't explain their obsession. This is important. Men often struggle to explain why they're drawn to a particular woman. They'll say things like, I don't know, she's just different. There's something about her. I feel calm around her. That's because these behaviors operate below logic. They speak to the nervous system, not the mind. And the nervous system remembers patterns, not reasons. A woman who creates emotional calm with slight mystery becomes a safe place without being boring. That's a rare combination. And rarity creates attachment. How to activate these behaviors naturally. Here's the key. You don't do these things, you become them. Trying to copy behaviors mechanically backfires. Men can feel when something is calculated. Instead, this comes from one shift. Stop trying to manage how you're perceived. The moment a woman stops monitoring herself constantly, her energy settles. And when energy settles, those small behaviors appear naturally. She pauses because she's not anxious. She reacts honestly because she's not performing. She leaves conversations early because she's fulfilled. Attraction becomes a side effect. The one mistake that cancels everything. There's one mistake that neutralizes all of this. Over-explaining. The moment a woman explains her feelings, intentions, or reactions too much, she removes tension. Not conflict, tension. Tension is what keeps attraction alive. You don't need to hide. You don't need to play games. Just let moments breathe. Silence is not a problem to fix. Space is not a threat. They are tools attraction uses naturally. Why these small things create long-term desire. Short-term attraction comes from excitement. Long-term desire comes from emotional regulation. A woman who is emotionally regulated becomes a place a man wants to return to. Not because she demands it, but because his nervous system relaxes with her. And relaxed desire is the deepest form of desire. It's not frantic, it's steady. That's what men chase long-term. Final thought. Men don't fall for what women do. They fall for how women feel to be around. The small things matter because they shape that feeling. So if there's one thing to remember from this video, remember this. You don't drive men crazy by being perfect. You drive them crazy by being grounded, calm, present, unrushed. That's not loud attraction. That's deep attraction. This was Brainy Facts. See you in the next one.